Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you press subscribe before the video starts. Today's video, I want to talk about augmentating the chin, and Hyaluron pen is a great way to do it. It's really simple and it restores the skin. Many people use it to enhance their face and their profile. And if it's just pore tightening you want and you just want to tighten the pores, a mesotherapy treatment on the chin area is great. That will tighten the skin, works very well. And I am also going to now show you some injection spots that can be done when you're augmentating a chin. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my little white pencil, sharpen it, make sure it's nice and sharp, and I'm going to map out the area. When we're augmentating the chin, when we are talking about the jaw, that's a whole other treatment. We're going to talk about that in another video I have already. This time I'm just going to point out the whole chin area, which your chin area, I would say from there to there. That would be considered your chin area. I'm not prepping my skin because I'm not going to inject today. I'm just going to show you a few little things. When you are actually injecting, you want to make sure your skin is nice and clean, and you also go over the area with a nice alcohol wipe to disinfect the area, and that you're wearing gloves, clean hands. It's important all the time these days. So I'm marking out the area. This is the chin area from side to side. Many people begin to get a dimpling chin in this area right here, which is pretty much right under the mouth. It's between the marionette lines right here. In that area, people tend to get dimpling. You start to lose volume as we age. So in this case, what you would do is, right now, I'm going to show you what to do in this area. In this case, if you have dimpling, you want to do restoration. So you're going to do a mesotherapy technique, which is always using a 0.01 when you're doing mesotherapy, about 2 to 3 millimeters apart. So I would begin in the center, right there, right next to it, right there, right there. Go right down the center to the bottom of the chin, every 2 to 3 millimeters apart. There, injections, 0.01, again, next to it, right next to it, other side. So now you've done a mesotherapy treatment here. You're going to finish off the corners. Okay, same thing, other side. So now that would be the chin area, mesotherapy. This would tighten the pores, even out the skin, and help the dimpling effect. If you have dimpling here in the marionette lines are also a treatment on their own. That's another treatment that we'll talk about another time as well. I've done videos of my own marionette lines out there, so we're not going to discuss filling the marionette lines, but we will discuss carrying on the treatment, the mesotherapy treatment, until the outer parts of the chin. So you're gonna do the same idea, but bringing it all the way out to here, making the whole chin area. So you're gonna do the same effect right here, 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 here. And the same on the other side. All right. So you have now a full chin treatment, mesotherapy technique. You can do that every 2 weeks until the achieved look is done, and which usually takes about 3 to 4 treatments. They're going to see a significant change in their skin, and the effects afterwards, once they start to last, you can do every 6 to 8 months a touch-up, and that would be your maintenance that you would need to do. So that right there is tightening the chin. I'm gonna remove those lines now. That was the mesotherapy treatment. Now we're gonna mark out the chin again, right there. Now the person wants to, they don't wanna just tighten the pores, but they wanna extend the chin. Sometimes our chin is a little bit short, and the ideal chin, you can achieve a little bit of a longer chin by adding, again, on that tip area. You would inject 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1 in the middle, okay? So that would extend a little bit the chin. You would have to determine on your own if you would use 0.01 injection, 0.02, never go over 0.03, because then you'll have lumps, which do go away as well when you add pressure to them. You don't want to leave yourself looking lumpy. So you just want to keep injections at a low when you're doing surface on your face. So, enhancing the chin and bringing it out a little bit longer, extension will be done right there. You can also continue if you want to extend a little further, because sometimes people have very narrow here, but they want to widen. You would begin to do it even further. Very similar to what I showed you before, the mesotherapy look, but you're going to concentrate a little bit closer, adding the volume. So more like 1 to 2 millimeters apart, filling in that whole area right there. Okay, so that's pretty much what you would do to enhance a chin. This part right here, like I said, this here is marionette lines. That's a whole other treatment on its own. So that's another video. I will be doing one explaining how to treat your marionette lines. But for now, this is how you do your chin. I hope that helped. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and press subscribe. If you need any products or supplies, feel free to email me. Also, if you have any questions, email me at lc@hyaluron-kween.com. Don't forget to subscribe, and I hope you have a great day, and I will be making more videos to come. And take care, everyone. Stay safe. Bye.